Hello. So I am back with the chapter 6 and that is about helper to all. We are going to discuss about the helpers, the professional helpers which are directly and indirectly helping us, right? So in your chapter on your page number 46 there is a little story about the girl, right? So there is a girl, her name is Anu. She wants to become a police officer and she has a young brother. He wishes to become a soldier. Like we are discussing about the professional, so that's why there is an story about a girl named Anu. She wants to become a police officer and her younger brother wants to become a soldier. So there is an activity that you have to feel in the color. What would you like to become? आपको जो भी बनना है उसी सर्कल में आपको कलर करना है. It is a doctor, then a policeman, then electrician, then nurse, and air hostess, mechanic, postman, then it is about soldier and a painter. So whatever you want to become, you have to just put a color in it. The story get back to us that it is written Children's Day was celebrated in Anu school. So talking about a girls school that they are discussing that what should they want to become, उनको क्या बनना है वो discuss हो रहा है. All the students had discussed about why they wanted to what they wanted to become. सारे students मिलके discuss कर रहे हैं that I want to become a doctor, I want to become a teacher or a painter or singer, right? So we already know that 14th November is declared and celebrated as Children's Day just because it is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. So talking about the story on page number 47, it is written that Anu discussed in her school, we should decide what we would like to become. That Anu is discussing that now it is the time that they have to decide that what they want to be. Her friends also spoke. Some want to become doctors, some want to become farmer or some police officers, or some want to become an artist like a singer or a painter or a dancer. So around us many people belong to various professionals. We know that there are various professionals around us and they are helping us, like doctor is helping us, shopkeeper is helping us, or a farmer or a sweeper, right? Our many needs are completed with the help of such professional. और हमारी सारी ज़रूरतें यही professionals पूरी करते हैं. Professionals who help us are known as our helpers. जो professionals हमें help कर रहे हैं वो क्या हो गए हैं? Helper, right? So there is an activity on your page number 47 that we have to write about the professional helping us. आपके around जो भी professionals हैं वो हमको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, सो वी हैव टू राइट नेम ऑफ देम, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज टीचर, देन कंडक्टर, नर्स, ब्लैकस्मिथ, मैसन, देन इट इज़ अबाउट डॉक्टर, ड्राइवर, पुलिसमैन, पॉटर, गोल्डस्मिथ, पोस्टमैन, स्वीपर, कारपेंटर, टेलर एंड कन्फेक्शनर. कन्फेक्शनर मीन्स कि हलवाई, राइट? Okay, so if you turn the page on page number 48, there is another story. The story is about a girl, Leena. Yesterday was Saturday and Leena had gone to market. Aruna was sick as Leena was went to the market. So and it might be possible that Aruna is a sister or a friend. So she was sick. She was admitted to hospital and Leena reached the hospital. उसको हॉस्पिटलाइज किया गया था and Leena went to the hospital to see the girl, right? And Dr. Ratan was examine her that what is actually the problem, how she become sick, right? Leena likes to serve all very much and Leena likes to become a doctor. उसको सबकी हेल्प करना पसंद था, so that's why she want to become a doctor. But in the other hand, it was the day Sunday and there was a meeting in a village. Good pictures were shown in a meeting hall, but Leena also likes to make such pictures and she also likes to draw pictures and painting and all. So Leena also likes to become a painter. So there is two choices. Like either she become a doctor or she can become a painter. So there are few questions there which we have to discuss, right? So question number 1, that is about which profession is good for Lina. So we already seen in a story that she likes to serve everyone, so that is the reason that Lina must become a doctor as she loves serving all. उसको सबकी मदद करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, so it is like उसको डॉक्टर बनना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज़ व्हाट डू यू लाइक हर टू बिकम. आप उसको क्या बनना देखना चाहते हो. बट इन द अदर हैंड इन द स्टोरी शी लाइक्स टू पेंट एंड शी लाइक्स टू ड्रॉ, राइट. सो दैट्स द रीज़न दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी लीना मस्ट बिकम अ पेंटर एज शी लव्स पेंटिंग, राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज़ व्हाट शुड एल्स लीना बिकम. अभी लीना को सबकी मदद करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, सो लीना कैन ऑल्सो बिकम अ लॉयर और अ टीचर, राइट. Number 4 is that like Lina, what do you want to become? It's your personal choices. Everyone has a dream to become, right? किसी को पेंटिंग करना, किसी को डांसर बनना. So there is a thing that according to you, आप में से कितने ऐसे होंगे जिनको डांस बहुत पसंद होगा. So you can write whatever you want to become, right? So like Lina, I want to become a dancer as I love dancing. आपको डांस करना अच्छा लगता है तो आप डांसर बन सकते हो. If you want to serve everyone, you could be a doctor or a teacher or a lawyer, right? But that's totally up to you. आपको क्या बनना है. Question number 5, that is what do your friends want to become. So when you are coming to school, you can ask your friends that what do you want to become. My friends wants to choose different professions. Some of them want to become doctor, policeman, engineer, etc. Like सबके कुछ अलग अलग ड्रीम्स होते हैं ना. So this is the way कि हर person अलग अलग प्रोफेशन चूज़ करेगा. Some of them that become doctor or a policeman or a engineer, right? तो आप कुछ भी बन सकते हो और आपके फ्रेंड्स भी कुछ भी बन सकते हैं. As you see page number 49, the first activity is about fill in the colors and fill in the colors in the circle of the professional of your liking. मतलब कि आपको जो भी प्रोफेशनल दिए हैं, आपको जो आपको पसंद है उसमें कलर करना है, right? So that is very easy for you. Next activity, that is about you have to see the tools and you have to tell that which one is which professional, right? आपको उसके tools देख के बताना है कि ये कौन सा professional है या फिर ये कौन सा helper है, right? So first, by the stethoscope, the picture of the stethoscope, you can say that it is a doctor. So what doctor is actually doing? So doctor treats the patient or does the treatment. ये दोनों हो सकता है, right? Number 2, that is postman. So you can see the bag and the letters are there. So it is going to deliver your letters, or you can write that delivers post. The next exercise, that is about policeman. So policeman, you can see the hatkadi and all in the movies, you have seen that. So that by that you can say that policeman is going to arrest the criminals. Next is about teacher. You can see a chair, a desk, some books and a chalk and a duster. So by that you can identify that it is about teacher. So teacher is going to teach in the school. Next is about sweeper. So you can see the broom there, right? झाड़ू दिख रहा है. So by that you can say that it is about the sweeper. So sweeper is going to sweep the road. मतलब कि वो जो roads है उसको clean करता है. Next thing is about mechanic. Mechanic is going to repair the vehicles. You can see the tool there, right? So by that you can identify that it is a mechanic, and mechanic is going to repair your vehicles. Okay, so on your last page, page number 50, there is an puzzle. The puzzle is about you have to see the professional and you have to see the tools. So you have to identify the professional or helpers with the help of the tool, right? So first, that is already done for us. So first that is soldier, and the last you can see it is the picture of a hatkadi and all, right? So you can identify that they need, policeman and soldier need this kind of tool. So you have to kind of match the shapes. It is triangle, it is triangle. Done. If you see number 1 in the answers, there is a picture of a broom. So you have to match it with the professional. So we already know कि broom किसको चाहिए, sweeper को. So you just have to draw the circle here in the first one. So now you get to know about the puzzle that you have to match the shapes with the professional and their tools. So number 2, that is about a first aid kit, right? So talking about a first aid kit, वो किसको चाहिए? नर्स को चाहिए, right? So we have to kind of make you have to match the shape, right? The next thing is about number 3 that we have done. Okay, so number 3, that is about the stethoscope, right? तो stethoscope what the professional need, कौन से professional को चाहिए? Doctor, right? So you just have to match the shape. Number 4, that is a desk, chair, chalk and duster. So that is kind of helpful for teacher. तो वो tools किसको चाहिए? Teacher को. So again you have to match the shape. And number 5 we have already done in the first one. So this is the puzzle that you have to match the professional with their tools and with the help of shapes. Okay, so on the page number 50 there is another activity about the observation. Like ये पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ने के बाद आपको इतना तो पता चला है कि कौन से प्रोफेशनल कैसे टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं और वो हमें क्यों हेल्पफुल है, राइट? सो नंबर 1 दैट वी आर टॉकिंग, दैट इज़ टीचर. सो हमको पता है ना, आपको भी पता है कि टीचर को क्या चाहिए. शी नीड्स अ चेयर और अ टेबल और अ डस्टर एंड बुक, right? So teacher करते क्या है? They are going to teach students in a school, like what I'm doing here. Number 2, that is about doctor. So doctor need a stethoscope and injection. Like आप भी scared हो और मैं भी. We kind of scared of injections, right? What actually the doctor is doing? Doctor is going to treat the patient क्योंकि वो हमको ठीक करते हैं. Next is about driver. Driver needs a bus, that's it. Driver is going to take us from one place to another place. हमको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाते हैं. Next is about the conductor. Conductor only and only needs a ticketing machine. जो आप देख रहे हो ना, कभी बस से ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो when conductor is going to give you the tickets, you can see कि वो टाइप करते हैं and then they are giving you a kind of chit कि आपको कितना बिलिंग अमाउंट हुआ और आप कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाते हो. So conductor is going to issue the tickets to travel. Last is a postman. Postman just needs a letters or post, right? And it is postman is going to deliver the post. So talking about the lesson, the whole point of the lesson is you know about your professionals and you know that what kind of tools they are using and how they are helpful, and you learn to respect them. If it is a sweeper or it is a mechanic, you have to kind of give the respect to them because कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं होता. We have learned in the chapter 2nd and 3rd, right, that it is very important to give respect to each and every helper, right? So this is it about your chapter 6.